Hello students, today I am going to give the revision questions of chapter 3, that is major water bodies of the earth. You can mark in your book. First, from the exercise E, answer these questions in 10 to 20 words. That all you have to practice. That is very easy. So all the questions you have to practice in your rough notebook. Next, from exercise F, answer these questions in 50 to 60 words. Number 1, mention the characteristics of the Indian Ocean. Then, how are oceans useful to us? And number 3, describe the various methods of controlling water pollution. And from exercise G, answer this question in 75 to 100 words. 1 number, discuss the important features of the Pacific Ocean and the Atlantic Ocean. And number 3, rivers are an important natural resource, and justify this statement. And from the exercise H, why do you think so? Most parts of the Arctic Ocean remain covered with thick ice throughout the year. And second number, lakes and riversides are important tourist attractions. These are the revision questions. And from the map work, on an outline map of the world, mark and label the following. Number 1 is the oceans and one important lake and river of each continent, and any 5 seas. You can buy a map and you can mark these in your that map. Now from the chapter number 6, North America, location and physical features, mark the questions. From exercise D, give reasons. Mount McKinley is covered with snow. Number 4, the Western Cordilleras are a part of the Pacific Ring of Fire. And number 7, the Central Lowlands are agriculturally very important. And from exercise E, answer this question in 10 to 20 words. Name the 3 major countries of North America in order of size. Then number 2, name the physical divisions of North America. And number 3, distinguish between an intermontane plateau and Piedmont plateau. Give one example of each from North America. And from 6, name the lakes that are together referred to as the Great Lakes. And 8 number, how are the rivers and lakes important in North America? Then from exercise F, answer the question in 50 to 60 words. First, describe the location, extent and formation of the Central Lowlands. And second number, how was the name Cordilleras derived, and what is the extent and location of the Western Cordilleras? And number 3, give a brief description of the water bodies related to the Canadian Shield. And from the exercise G, answer this question in 75 to 100 words. Number 2, describe the Appalachian Mountains. And number 3, briefly explain the south and west flowing rivers of North America. And from exercise H, why do you think so? Number 1 is North and South America together are referred to as New World. And number 3, the Appalachian Mountains are low in height. And number 5, the Great Lakes and the eastern coastal region have the maximum concentration of population. These are the revision questions. And from the map work, this map work, all the places what is given here you have to mark in the map of North America. These are the revision questions, and this is the syllabus also of half-yearly exam. Thank you.